Hey everyone, good morning. Happy Saturday. In this video, we're going to talk about why rest might be the most important thing that you can do for your half marathon training. So this week, we covered a lot of topics for you runners. If you missed any of the topics that we covered, take a look back. We talked about, does running cause arthritis? And then we also talked about the importance of adding variety into your training, specifically if you're training for a half marathon. So 3 weeks from today, right behind me, the spot here, Cheshire High School, is going to be bumping with thousands of runners running the Cheshire Half and 5K. It's a great event. If you have not watched it, or if you have not ran the race before, then I definitely suggest you check it out. It's a nice, scenic course for those that like running on the trail in Cheshire. A good 5 or 6 miles of it is on the trail, so it's nice and flat. There are some rolling hills at the end. But it's a great course, great event. I highly suggest you look into it if you have been training and you are ready for a half marathon, or we got a runner right behind us there. There he goes, killing it right now, getting those Saturday weekend runs in. So hopefully you guys will check out Cheshire Half Marathon. I will be there. Spark Physical Therapy will be having a booth. For those that don't know, I am a physical therapist. With Spark Physical Therapy, I specialize in working with runners, keeping them happy, healthy, on the road, doing what they love, without pain, rest, or stopping the running that they love to do. So today's topic is going to get into why rest is important. The reason why rest is important is not so much when you think of rest meaning, okay, so I just need to take a couple of rest days in my training, in my runs. The other day we talked about the importance of adding variety into your training and not only doing kind of going out hard every single day you run, but having easy runs, so kind of easier pace, then switching it up with some speed work. We talked about doing intervals on the track as well as tempo runs. So adding in tempo runs, or you can add hills into your running, and then always definitely doing your long runs. So building up that mileage under your legs, especially if you're training for the half marathon distance. So today I wanted to talk about the value of adding rest into that training. What does that mean? That means taking a recovery week, not meaning not running, but going at an easier pace, so kind of avoiding or allowing your body to heal and rest from the hard workouts or the hard training runs that you do on a weekly basis, which is pretty much those speed work, tempo runs, or the long run. So that's going to put the most amount of stress to your body, to your joints, to your muscles. So actually going out there for an easy run. So for example, this week, I did my speed work earlier in the week. Today is normally my long run day, weekend. The last Saturday or last Sunday, I ran 11 miles. The week before that, on a Saturday, I ran 10. The week before that, I ran 10. So I was building up my mileage. I did 2 10s, I did an 11. Today I'm only doing 5. I'm going at a nice easy pace. Midway point right now. Figured I'd jump on live and talk about this topic because I thought it can help others. And so that's going to allow my body to get a little rest. I'm not stopping running, so I'm still getting some miles in. I'm not taking total, complete time off, but it's allowing that recovery. So then next week, when I go out there and run 11, which I'm going to do again, I'm going to feel a lot fresher. Legs are going to feel fresher. I'm going to be able to run that distance a little bit better. So, and I'm glad this helps you out. Thanks for jumping on. Beth's on. How you doing, Beth? So I hope that makes sense to you, that you do need to allow some recovery, active recovery, into your training as opposed to just taking off or just hitting it hard. Because if you're just hitting it hard, then you're going to open yourself up to injuries. And that's when we start to see a lot of the overuse running-related injuries. So the most common culprits is that IT band syndrome, the patellofemoral pain syndrome, getting pain on the front of your kneecap, or Achilles issues, or plantar fasciitis, so that heel pain. Right? That's stubborn and you have it for months and you're running through it and it never goes away. So take a look at your training and see, is my training allowing for those active rest periods to allow your body to recover a bit and then be able to attack your training a little bit harder the next week. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk about today. I hope this was helpful for you. If this was helpful and you have not added in any active rest into your training, then please hit the love button. It will help more people see this video on Facebook. I appreciate you tuning in. If you are looking for specific exercises that you can do as a runner to keep you happy and healthy, I encourage you to visit my YouTube page. I've created a playlist specifically for you, the runner, on specific prehab exercises that I commonly give my clients, have helped my clients run the races that they love to do, staying healthy. So check those exercises out. You just have to type in Spark Your Training into YouTube. You will see the channel, subscribe, so then you won't miss any of the exercises that may help you. All right, so thanks again, guys. Greatly appreciate it. This has been Dr. Duane Scotti, physical therapist with Spark Physical Therapy. Looking forward to the Cheshire Half Marathon 3 weeks from this weekend.